Well, good morning, folks. West Coast One again. I'm going to go up towards Mount Adams today and try to get some footage for my new header for my mini mate camping stuff. Should be fun. Great day. It's gosh, we're almost in a heat wave. We're going to get up mid 70s today. So I got my summer gear on with the liners. I'm going to get hot. It's going to be a fun day.
Welcome everyone, hello. West Coast One here, doing my mini mate trial. Actual road test. We're on the highway, we're in the heavy winds. Look at those trees blowing around. This is a windy spot. Watch this car in front of me. Blows him to the side of the road. Then he catches another big gust. Same with me. A lot of side wind right there. It moved me. But not bad. The mini mate towed really good. It tracked real well. I was very, very happy. Yeah, we're going to head to Mount Adams. I'm going to look for a spot, shoot some video for a header for the mini mate videos coming up. Lots of twisties going and coming. Beautiful day today.
Well, folks, my first tow on the highway, SR14. Solid white caps on the river. Up until, oh gosh, about around the tunnel area. So good substantial wind, pretty common, pretty normal. Beacon Rock, I got shoved a little. And a couple other spots mildly, but I have noticed that the side winds really affect me a lot more, push me a lot. Going slow, taking it easy. That's the key of towing anything. Go a little slower, take it easy, get there in one piece. Anyway, I'm stoked. I'm on 141 alternate route, right on the White Salmon River, just below my granddaddy Van Ice's old orchard. So let's continue. All right, guys, I'm having fun.
Okay, a few more miles up the road. We're in Trout Lake, Washington. Mount Adams is glorious. Isn't that pretty? Let's see how, I kind of like this one. Let's see how it turns out. And we'll keep looking around. I went on down the road towards Glenwood, kind of east, more or less. It's hard to find roads that
Okay, Garmin,
face the
start
mountain.
recording.
It's I don't want to go sideways to the mountain. Anyway, this is a curve, so we're gonna see what happens. Well, that was number 2. And this is the still I took. This is where I made my header for my Goldwing Road Riders Association
Okay, Garmin,
header.
start recording.
Yeah, we'll have to watch those a few times. I'm on the way home now. This is Canyon. And actually, this is some of the straighter part of this road. I just wanted you guys to see Mount Hood over there in the distance. Mount Hood is in Oregon, of course. But man, this trailer tracks good. I'm impressed. I'm really happy. This thing tows great. Much better than I anticipated. Very happy with the mini mate. My gas mileage suffered a little bit, about a half mile, or what am I trying to say? A half a mile per gallon less than normal. That's acceptable. I guesstimated 30 miles to the gallon and I got 32.5, so It was pretty good. Guys, I had a great time. Road test was successful. Guys, take care. Be kind. Bye now.